I am sharing with you 3 no-bake pies. It is so hot right now in the middle of summer, and the last thing I want to do is turn the oven on and heat up the kitchen. So these pies are so amazing for summertime. They're also really refreshing. I have a root beer float pie, a skinny key lime pie, and a lemon pie. I will put the recipe for all 3 of these in the description box. But if you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Let me show you these 3 no-bake pies. Okay, so all 3 of these pies are super, super easy. This one that I'm gonna make first is a key lime pie. So I have some Chobani Greek yogurt. This is reduced fat. It is all natural flavors. So no fake fruit, no artificial flavors, no artificial sweeteners. So this is a skinny key lime pie. Really, really easy, you guys. So I have just 2 containers of Chobani. I have an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, and I have a small box of lime jello. So I will mix all this together. It'll go into my graham cracker pie crust, and I will let it set up in the refrigerator, but it'll be so awesome. Okay, so this 3rd pie, these are all so easy, is a root beer float pie. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited for this one. So easy. Vanilla pudding, I always get sugar-free, Cool Whip, and then I ordered this on Amazon. It is root beer concentrate. So they did not have it at my grocery store, but I ordered it online. So awesome. And then some root beer as well. So I'm gonna get this one all made up, super easy. This one is so delicious. I love root beer floats, especially spring and summertime. So good. All right, after this one sets up, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours. But after it sets up, you can garnish it with some whipped cream, some little cherries, so good. So let me go get this one in the fridge so it can set up and be ready to go. Okay, 3 quick and easy, no bake pies. I am so excited to share these with you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. I love hearing from you, so definitely leave a comment. Hope you enjoyed these 3 recipes. I will put them all in the description box, but they're super simple, so really awesome. I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.